So in this video I'm going to discuss how to use a histogram with the XlMiner analysis ToolPak. So I've got that loaded and I'm going to make a histogram. So let's suppose that I want to create a histogram that's banned by 20s. So here I've got 20, 40. Then I can highlight that and drag that down to get to 100. I've got 100 students. So you type in number 1, then 2, and then I can highlight those. Try to at least. And then you can drag those down till you get to 100 with the black cross bottom right. And then let's suppose they've got grades. I just input these in opposite order. So 199, and then I can highlight that and send that down. Okay. So once that data is put in, with the histogram input range, what you can do, you can, in my case, do C1 to C101. Bin range, what will be on the x-axis of this, that's going to be in A1 to A6, and because I've included labels, I'll check that box. I'll output the data beginning in E1, and then you can put here how you want the data to show up. So originally I had checked a Pareto, a cumulative, and chart. I'll click OK. And then you can see that that generates this. Now, for some reason, it will do a more when it creates it, but you can just drag that off and it will go away, as you see there. So you can edit this appropriately as you want. See also with the, yeah. Then you can see here it generates the cumulative, it generates the different bins and their frequencies, and then the cumulative frequency that way too. If you wanted to tweak this a little bit, just unchecking the box and playing around with this a little bit. So for example, if I didn't want it sorted for some reason, I can click OK and see what it does there. As you can see here, it gives you a different histogram. It still is doing the more, which is a little bit aggravating, but you can go in and clean that up. And then obviously messed that one up previously, but let's see. And then if I didn't want the cumulative percentage as an example, I could uncheck that box and click OK and see what it does there. And then chart output, I did that and clicked OK. It's just going to give me the bands and the frequencies.